Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to get started using the Microsoft apps on your iPad as part of the tech kit. This video assumes that you've created an Apple ID already. Once you've done that, you can go to the App Store and download Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and some other Microsoft apps. When you open them, they are going to tell you that you are in read-only mode or something similar to that. In order to unlock the full functionality, you'll need to find the Settings button that is visible in the video now. And when you click on that Settings button, at least in Microsoft Word, you get this menu in which you can click Sign In. And I typed in my full email address. You may see this screen when signing in. If you do, select Work or School Account as indicated by the arrow. My normal Macalester password. And then once I clicked Sign In, I was all set to go for all of the apps on my iPad. Hope this helps.